Our railing system is designed to be quick and easy to install, even if you're a beginner. Each kit comes with everything you need to install except the lag bolts to secure the posts. Use the appropriate fasteners for your specific application. Here are the tools that we recommend for installing our railings. Always wear proper protective gear. A few seconds of safety can prevent serious injuries. Begin the installation by installing the posts. Ensure they are square to the deck. They are secured with 4 lag bolts. Depending on the structure of your deck, different fasteners are recommended, but all 4 bolts must be installed into a secure structure. With the post secured to the deck, use a level on 2 sides to ensure that it is standing straight. If adjustments are needed, loosen the bolts and use a shim to level the post. Our posts come with 2 composite shims, which are the best option since they won't break down over time. Once the post is level, ensure the bolts are tightened and break off any of the shims that are used. Most shims can be scored with a utility knife and snapped off, or, if necessary, cut with a multi-tool. Once the posts are in place, begin installing the brackets. Each post comes with a cardboard template that folds on top and tucks inside the tube of the post. We recommend clamping the template to the post to keep it in place during installation. Insert the top bracket into the space on the template and secure with the 3 self-tapping screws provided. Install the bottom bracket the same way using the 3 provided self-tapping screws. Continue to install all the brackets on the posts. To install the railing, start by laying it beside the 2 posts that it will be installed between. Center the railing between the posts and mark the ends. Verify that the distance from the end is the same on both sides to ensure that the railing is centered between the posts. Now, measure back 1/2 inch and mark another line. This will be where the railing will be cut. Mark the cut line on both sides of the rail. Now lay the top rail beside the bottom rail and line up the 2 railings. The top rail has a movable spacer underneath it. Make sure that this is flush with the end of the railing before making any marks. You can secure this with some painter's tape so that it doesn't move during the installation process. Use a square to mark the cut line on the top rail. Do this at each end, and then cut the top and bottom rail on the marks. Use a chop saw with a fine-tooth carbide tip blade for easy cutting. Turn the bottom rail up and install the balusters by pressing them down onto the baluster holders. Press them fully into place. In every level railing kit, you will find a cardboard template that will hold the balusters in place while you put the top rail on. Push the balusters through the space in the top rail and use a rubber mallet to ensure they are fully installed. Use a utility knife to cut the cardboard template and remove it from the railing. All rail sections larger than 4 feet come with an additional center support that needs to be installed. There is a pre-drilled hole in the center of the railing to install the support connector. Press the support onto the connector and slide the foot over top. The support foot has 1 pre-drilled hole. We prefer to have this facing the outside of the deck for easy installation later. You can hold the foot with some painter's tape so that it does not fall off when standing the railing up. Place the railing into the brackets and secure the top rail with the provided screws. 1 on each side and 1 underneath. The bottom rail is secured with 1 screw on each side. Remove the tape to set the middle support onto the surface of the deck and install the provided screw. Remove any additional tape and install the other rails. Install the bracket caps by snapping them into place. You may require a rubber mallet to ensure they are fully installed. The post cap is installed by snapping it into place and using a rubber mallet if necessary. Install the 2-piece base skirt by sliding the halves together, keeping the pre-drilled holes accessible, and then secure with the provided screws on each side.